How to fix Firefox your connection is not secure issue. There are several factors that can cause this particular problem, ranging from an incorrect time and date to an interference from the antivirus software. In this latest video installment of our troubleshooting series, we will tackle the Firefox your connection is not secure issue. But before performing any of the recommended troubleshooting steps, it's best to restart your computer first. This action refreshes the operating system and remove any corrupt temporary data that could be causing the problem. First, make sure your computer has the correct time and date. If your computer has an incorrect time and date, then this will cause a discrepancy when verifying certificates, which can then result to this problem. To do this, type Control in the search bar, then click on the control panel result that appears. Then, in the control panel section, change view by into category located at the upper right. Then, select clock and region according to the type of control panel selected. Then, once the clock is open, click Set the time and date. Then, set the correct time and also select the correct region, then click OK to exit. Then, click OK to apply changes made and exit date and time section. Next, check if the Firefox your connection is not secure issue still occurs. Next, temporarily disable the antivirus. There are instances when an overly aggressive antivirus setting can cause this problem. To check if this is the case, you should temporarily disable the antivirus. If you are using Avast, Bitdefender, Microsoft Security Essentials, ESET, or McAfee, you can refer to the article link on the description box of this video on how to temporarily disable the antivirus. For Windows Defender Antivirus, follow these steps. First, click on Start or Windows. Then click on Settings, an icon that looks like a gear to open Windows Settings section. Then at the Windows Settings section, click on Update and Security. Then click on Windows Security at the left pane. Then at the Windows Security, click on Firewall and Network Protection. Then, click on your active network. Then, toggle off Microsoft Defender Firewall. A prompt message appears if you allow this app to make changes to your device. Click on Yes. After temporarily disabling antivirus, check if the Firefox your connection is not secure issue still occurs. Next, enable the Auto Detect proxy. To do this, press Start or Windows. Then click on Settings, an icon that looks like a gear to open Windows Settings section. Then, at the Windows Settings section, click on Network and Internet. Then, click on Proxy located at the left pane. Next, under the heading of Network Proxy or Proxy, toggle on the option Auto Detect Settings. Then, exit Settings section. Next, restart Mozilla Firefox and then check if the Firefox your connection is not secure issue still occurs. Next, reset Firefox. This will revert the browser back to its default settings. Make sure to have a backup of your browser settings. To do this, open Mozilla Firefox. Then click on the three lines located at the top right side of the window. Then, at the drop-down menu, click Help. Then, click on Troubleshooting Information. Then, at the Troubleshooting Information section, click Refresh Firefox. Present at the right end under the tab, give Firefox a tune-up. Another window appears. Click on Refresh Firefox to confirm. Next, restart your computer. After computer completely reboots, check if the Firefox your connection is not secure issue still occurs. Lastly, add exception to the website. In case the issue only occurs on a particular website, then you can add an exception to it. Take note that this is risky if you are trying to visit an unknown website. To do this, open the website you want to access, which gives you the error message. Then, click Advanced and then select Add Exception. A new dialog box will pop up. Then confirm the security exception after clicking the action box and see if you can access the website without any problems. After following the methods mentioned, you have successfully fixed Firefox your connection is not secure issue. We hope that this guide has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.